It smells so good. What do you want in my life, Rox? Misty behind you.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning! It is 8:26 in the morning, and my hubsy bug, he hide his face all the time. I can't even kiss you. Say good morning. Say good morning, bug. Good morning, bug. Good morning, bugs. Good morning, bug friends. Good morning, bugs friend. How are my bugs friend out there? Good morning. I'm so cute, friend. I'm the cutest little baby boyfriend. Boyfriend, I love you. Good morning, guys. Are you mad? I love you. What are you doing up here? Hey, what are you doing up here? What are you doing up here? Roxy, come here, Rox. Come here. Hi guys, we're going to drop her to the office and then going back here. It's very windy outside too. Come here, baby. It's crazy windy. Where are you going? Oh, you don't want to be with me? Okay.
My ashtray is sitting right here.
Did you brush? You don't brush your hair. You're gonna dry out like that.
Not gonna be here long enough for that to happen. I gotta brush in the car.
It's really not nice day today. It's a dark cloud and snowflake is coming down. So
People walking like they don't have legs.
Hi, hon. God, hon, when you're walking and you're in
You
pain.
look at me and then you walk slower. No, hon. You look at the car coming and he walks slower. If you don't think stuff like that is intentional. Attitude, like walk.
Where are we going?
Get stuff for lunch. I didn't get yesterday because I thought your belly counter was busy and slow.
This cage, it's kind of chilly this morning. What is the temperature today? 40?
42 actually.
Yeah, it's still kind of chilly. Not temperature. Because of the wind. Oh, you can't see the plane.
You left the lights on last night in the parking car.
I did?
Yeah.
Sorry. I thought I shut it off. I guess not. Guess what we're doing? Sitting down watching a show. Guess what show? Supernatural. That's what we're watching right now. Thank you all guys for the comments and for liking the Q&A that Tammy and I did. And also thank you for subscribing my channel. Yes. Charging my other battery for this camera and I kind of miss it. I'm gonna put it back to my laptop bag to protect it. That no one will eat it, just like the dog ate my slipper. The dog ate my slipper when I got her yesterday. Tammy told me that they've been eating it and it's almost broken. You eat my thing. You did? Look what you did, oh. Look. I said, Mommy, it's your fault, Mama. You should know now. You should know better now. That I eat everything, Mama. Hi. Hello, baby girl, baby. No, you're so tired. Are you tired, my love? Are you tired, my love? Are you tired? I love my baby Roxy, Roxy, no on Roxy, 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 no on Roxy, Roxy, no on Roxy, Roxy. Aww. Oh, don't move your face. Don't move your face. Oh, don't move your face. Oh, the baby ni Mama na ay so gupita man oh. You have a long nose. You have a long nose. I don't like that. It just keep growing. Huh? 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 Roxy. Roxy. Roxy! Hi, Mitch! Hello, Mitch! It's time for me to have lunchy. I'm going to have lunch. Pork, the one that I humba that I made the other day. Humba. And the vegetables, the lauoy. I bring the lauoy here because I don't want to throw it out. Because if I don't eat it for a few days, I don't want to eat it like I want to eat it while it's still good. And Tommy got me yesterday this, I don't know, I probably don't want to eat this strawberry shortcake Ralphite cup. I don't know, guys, but he got that for me. I still have my pomelo. Tommy loved the humba. He has it yesterday, guys. He loved it. Like, he ate it like a pro. He used his hand. And you know what, guys, every time I see Tommy eat what I cook, it makes me so happy. Like, you don't have any idea how happy I am every time I see him eating the food that I cook. And if he doesn't eat it, I can't stop asking him, you don't like it? Why you don't like it? Oh, you don't love me, oh? I think that's just me, guys. You can change me, guys. You can change me. I'm gonna heat it thing here. Microwavable. A lot of people said, well, I believe that microwave is not good. But my god, this is the only way now I know how to do it. No, just kidding. Of course, it takes forever when you do heat food in, you know, in the pot. But anyway, guys, I will be right back because I'm washing thing here one hand and it's kind of hard for me. It's kind of hard for me though. It is 1 o'clock, 1:20 already. Tommy, my mother-in-law doesn't call yet. It's ready. Hold on. Hi guys, I am making a spicy adobo. Oh, this is not it because the other one is not. I have to re-upload it. What do you want? What do you want? I give you the bone. You don't eat it, so I put it back. Oh yes, my love. Oh yes, baby. Yes. Oh. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. Good morning. It's dark everywhere, so I have to turn the light. I'm still wearing the same thing, guys. Wearing the same thing. Good morning. What? Where is she?
Bags.
Bags? How should we come?
That's our place every morning now.
It's not far from the dog.
No, because the dog takes a chair.
No. What do you want for breakfast? Do you want something? Do you want egg?
No.
Pancakes?
No.
Challah bread?
No.
Bread challah. It's a gopito. Who's the gopito right there? Yes, he's going to have the TT. What are you eating, Hobbs? She's eating the hard whatever you put in there from me the other day. I don't know when did you.
Oh, last night from Dibbles.
Did you let the dog out?
Yes.
Save by switching to Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more. Come on, one more? One more! Also, Totino stuffed nachos! I'm an engineer. I am a billionaire. I will upgrade the police with the best technology money can buy. The hero.
I love you.
Filled.
What do you want? Do you want something? What do you want? Do you want something? What is it?
especially for people with
No virus. No virus. No virus. No, no virus. No bite. Open. No opening your mouth. I'm the one who play with your mouth. Not you play with my hand. I love you. I love you. No. Ugly dog. What an ugly dog. Ugly dog. You should learn, because if the kid will play with this, you won't bite the kid. You should learn how to be somebody. Play with you. It's like a advertisement, dog advertisement for their teeth. Look, smile. My guapo's right here. Huh? He's so guapo, guys. I'm so lucky and everything, not just because he's guapo. He is the best, a perfect husband. Everything, guys, you can find for a husband. He has it, guys. Yes, yeah. I'm so happy. Where is my dimple, Lord? Dimples, don't be sad. Come here. Come over here. That face. Dimples, you're so cute. You're cute, Dimps. Oh, your sister's coming. Your sister's coming. Look, show people how ugly you are when you do that. Come here, Rox. Come here, Rox. Come here. You're so ugly. You're so ugly when I do that.
Releasing a kid's name to the public without a court order creates a feeding frenzy.
It smells so good.
One of them was dragged out of his own neighborhood and
Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello. Tommy just left. I thought you were sleeping, baby. I thought you were sleeping, baby. I thought you guys are sleeping now, but it's not. This is the man. My little man. And this is my little princess right here. Of the bag. You have a really nice color bag. Oh, look at your bag. You have the best color bag. Look at the pretty little man that we have. This is the special man. A special man touch. Little Jax, I'll give you again. Sit up. Sit. Look, she sit already. Sit up. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Sit up. Oh, good girl. Sit up. Good girl. Okay, last. Sit up, Misty. Good girl. That's it. That's a treat. What do you want in my life, Rox? Do you want to listen something? Do you want something? I can't even edit the video because you just keep whining. Good night, night. What is this ear? It's so clean. It's so clean ear now. Oh, clean ear now. Clean ear. I did clean you today, right? I clean my baby today. I clean you guys today. I did clean my baby. Twirl, 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 ear, twirl, ear, twirl, twirl, lila. Kanina pa to, guys, naglalambing. I don't know what she want, but she just been begging me. What do you want? She just been begging me, like, Oh my god, the laptop is on my lap and then she just can't stop. What do you want? Look at the camera. Tell people that you're so clingy and loving. This morning we play with Dada on the floor. I was lying down on the floor on top of their blanket and she's so happy and makes her happy. Come here. What are you? Why are you turning head away from me for? Come here. Come here, baby. Look at that look. Why you give me a bad look? Come here. Come here. Look at that. You see that? Look. What do you want? Aww? Are you sad? You're too cute, Nammy Tickles. What is Nammy Tickles? No way. She is clingy, guys. At the same time, she is kinda, how do you call that? Mahilig manglambing. Pag hindi mo nilambing, magtampo. Ano sa English yung kaya nagtampo? Upset? Is that it? Nagtampo. And then like, ano, nandun sa sulok. Yun lang, nakatingin sa akin. Oh. Nasa harapan ko na. She's in front of me now. Facing on me. Oh, you're just really tired? That's it? You too? You guys are tired? Oh, you two are tired. Oh, what is the miti? No, miti ko. Oh, miti me. It's just, I love you too, my love. I love you too. Don't look at me. I get tired of you looking at me all the time. It's 5:24 in the evening. It's dark already, that's why I called it evening. And look who's on my lap. Dimples. Let's go. You almost hit the car. You almost hit the car.
I'm watching.
What? Happy?
Hi, baby. Somebody's happy.
I see you doing a dance.
I see you doing that too. Oh. Hey, little man. Get off, man.
On.
Come on, you want a bite? Come on.
What's your face? Misty behind you. Oh God, they're so happy to see you. Roxy, what the?
Okay, crazies. That's enough.
Hey!
We are live in... Hello and welcome to Fun with Flags. What's your question? What is wrong with you? Why am I so destructive? Rajesh? Yes. Whenever things are going well, I always find...
10:05 now, so good night. And I just charge everything. I charge my cell phone, it's low bat. I charge my iPad, it's low bat, because that iPad I use it all the time with, like, I'm eating and I'm watching some videos or a TV show or something. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, anyway, somebody asked me how Ziz nag-ask if I can make a broccoli rub. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make it. And yeah, so thank you all guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye. Do we have everything? No more is icy over there? Huh?